In today's video, I'll show you how to switch to an annual YouTube Premium plan. To switch to an annual plan, you'll first need to cancel your current monthly subscription, since YouTube doesn't allow a direct switch from monthly to annual. First, open YouTube and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click your profile icon at the top right. Next, tap Purchases and Memberships, then select Manage Membership. After that, click Cancel Membership and confirm the cancellation. Once your current subscription fully expires, you can then subscribe again and choose the annual YouTube Premium plan if it's available in your region. Take note that annual plans are only available in select locations including Brazil, Canada, Germany, India, Japan, Mexico, Thailand, Turkey, and the United States. And that's it! That's how you switch to an annual YouTube Premium plan.